What's up, guys? Jeremy Clark here, Phil's Jackson on X, um, coming to you from the Premium Tier Futures Discord. I just wanted to, while I'm doing a little audio test just for fun, we're going to throw in some drum machine here. And also, I wanted to show you a uh, kind of playing the edge of the volume profile. We're going to input a little sound just to see how this sounds. That's nice. Let's put a little kick into that, a little snare. I'm feeling that. Let's throw some bass in. Yeah, that's sounding pretty good. Liking that. All right, here we go, guys. Hopefully my audio is not too crowded out here. Okay, so I'm expecting this to come back down to this high point at 0625. You can see we got this nice drop on the heat map. And just watching the reloaders, the sellers coming in here, you're going to see I'm going to do an ad on the offer. Let's see. Looking for a price to stall out at this low volume node right here. So anything below that would be good. And I'm going to short it to 625. Looks like we just did an entry there. Mental stop again up here. I put my take profit at 625. And I'm going to do an ad once this starts to go. I just got my mouse in place in case I only want to let this run for like 4 ticks. So, okay, so it's starting to go now. Seeing the sellers come in. I just did an ad and I'm going to go ahead and just ride this out. Target is 625. Watching the reloaders on the offer. Boom. Look at that drop. That was beautiful. I mean, doesn't get any better than that, guys. I could have maybe held one contract for a bit longer. That would have been cool. But again, I was just aiming for that high point at 625, assuming that this low volume node held as resistance. So that worked out pretty cool. There we go. All right, I'm going to take us out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Come join us in the Premium Tier Discord at Premium FTS on X. And we do a review every Sunday, so look for that to come out. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.